In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in WordPress Elementor. We'll walk through everything step by step, starting from uploading your PDF, all the way to making it accessible through a button on your page. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable link to your PDF right inside your Elementor design. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Media. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, choose Add New or Add Media File, depending on what your site shows. Now you'll see two main options, one to select files from your computer and another to upload from a URL. For this tutorial, we're going to upload directly from your computer. So click on the button that lets you select files. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your folders until you find the PDF you want to embed. Click on the file, then press Open or simply hit Enter on your keyboard. Give WordPress a moment to upload the PDF. Once it's done, you should see some details about your file, including a button that says something like Copy URL to Clipboard. Go ahead and click that button. This copies the direct link to your PDF, which we'll use inside Elementor. Next, let's move over to Elementor. Back in the left-hand menu of your WordPress dashboard, find Elementor. Hover over it and choose the Editor or Website Builder option. This will open Elementor's dashboard inside WordPress. In the top left of the Elementor screen, click on Edit Site or Edit with Elementor to open your page or template in the visual editor. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, look at the left panel. This is where all your widgets live. You can use either a button widget or a text editor widget to link to your PDF. In this example, we'll use a button. Find the button widget, then drag and drop it onto the section of your page where you want the PDF link to appear. As soon as you drop the widget, the left panel will reload with the button settings. Here you can customize everything. Choose your button type, then change the button text to something clear, like Download PDF or View PDF. In the link field, paste the PDF URL you copied earlier from the media library. If you want, you can also add an icon, such as a small document or download symbol, to make the button more visually intuitive. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, it's time to save your changes. In the top right corner of Elementor, you'll see the main Publish button. If your page is already live and you're updating it, this might say Update instead. You can click it to publish your changes immediately. If you're still working and not ready to make the page public, click the small downward arrow beside that button and choose Save Draft instead. This lets you keep your progress without pushing it live just yet. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a PDF in WordPress using Elementor by uploading it to your media library, copying its URL, and linking it through a button in the Elementor editor.